Hey everyone, Andrew643, boxbreaks.com, bringing you the 4-box mixer. It was a team random with 2 days for trading. No trades were completed, so we are sticking with our current list. Thanks everybody for joining, and thanks for your patience while it sold out. Took a little while, but it wasn't too bad. Let me know what you guys are interested in next. If you want to do a mixer or another inner or case of something, shoot me an email or message on Facebook. We are live on Facebook and Breakers. We're doing the cup, two boxes of Clear Cut and Stature. So we will start with Stature here. I'll show you the serial number. They weren't announced anyways, but just in case. Actually going to slide these this way because that's where I'm going to put the cards. Yeah. Alright guys, good luck. I will call the hits as they come. For Toronto Maple Leafs and Bugsy 2405. Ryan, thanks for joining. We got a Matt Dumba for the Minnesota Wild and Mike 420. It's a base. We got a Emil Bemstrom 338 out of 399 for Columbus and DJ and Ella's mommy. Got a Jonathan Drouin from Montreal 105 out of 149. Montreal is Johnny Canuck. Brian, there is some scratches down here. I don't know if it'll focus enough to let me show you them. For Buffalo, Rasmus Dahlin, 21 out of 75. Buffalo is Johnny Canuck also. Brian, there is a scratch right above his name there, running from his pants over to the side. 2 in a row that you got dinged on. Sorry, man. For the Ottawa Senators, Ottawa is Bugsy. Ryan also. Eric Brandstrom, Rookie Reliance. Looks like another one. There is a scratch right on the right by the Ottawa logo there. Maybe a few dots under. For the Edmonton Oilers, 16 out of 75. These are really hard to read, the serial numbers. That is also Bugsy. And the last one is going to the LA Kings, which is Chuck. Ended up landing his Kings anyways, so. Alright guys, there is the Stature. I'll show you the serial number. Still not super impressed with Stature. Tried it a few times, not my favorite. Nice looking cards, I guess, but there just seems to be no value to the hits. First box of Clear Cut is going to Tampa Bay Lightning. Anthony Cirelli, rookie. Tampa is Bummer Boy. So Jack, slide that out of the way. Oops, serial number. Sorry, guys. Congrats, Jack. Trying to trade them for the Oilers, but that one did not go through. And the second box of Clear Cuts is a redemption. A nice one, though. It'll be for Detroit. NHL Clear Cut Canvas, number to 25. Detroit is Cezeo. And then there is a base card behind that. Going to the Buffalo Sabres. Buffalo is Johnny Canuck. Rookie debuts of Casey Middlestat. So nice hit, Clear Cut Canvas signatures. for Cizeo. Alright, and the other one we all been waiting for. Or I've been waiting for anyways. The only bonus with this is the Vezina bonus. So if somebody hits a 101, you will win the Vezina bonus pool, which right now I would have to double check, but it's probably around 135 bucks. So if you hit a 101, I will fire you 135 bucks via PayPal. Friends and family, obviously. Alright, we're struggling already. Use my knife to cut flooring this weekend, and it is very dull. You buggers. Apparently they're staying in there till we get her out. Alright guys, good luck. First hit is going to the Boston Bruins. Boston is Bugsy. Brad Marchand, 81 out of 249. Our rookie patch auto is going to Arizona and Mike. Mike 420, 231 out of 249. Nice patch. Would assume piece of the Coyote there. Nice for the Rangers, and Mike 420 also. Philip Cheadle, rookie auto patch from the Exquisite Collection. 53 out of 72. Nice hit for you, Mike. We got a gold rookie auto going to the Devils. Devils is Cizeo. 16 out of 36. For Boston and Bugsy, Bobby Orr, 21 out of 249. And the last one is not a 101, but it's going to the Winnipeg Jets. 2 out of 5. Quad patches, I would say. Put a pretty plain one in there for Ehlers. Wheeler, Scheifele, Laine, and Ehlers. That should be her. Alright guys, thanks a lot for joining. I will see you on Tuesday for the auction, and hope you guys have a great weekend.